right, starting order, Rob 1, Mikey 2, John 3, Josh 4, Vinny in 5. Marshals are ready, drivers are ready. Let's get a better start than short course. We're going on the sound of the tone in less than 5. Easy. That's it.
Second.
Ooh, Mikey makes a clean pass on Rob. Oh. You keep it clean, yeah, Okay. Ooh. Oh, and Rob goes over, gets a little greedy on the big table, puts him down on the bottom.
4. 5.
Looks like, Rob gets greedy again on the corner, back down to the bottom, rough. I think I messed him up by letting him drive my truck.
Second.
Mikey now out in front, Josh in that number 2 spot. Looks like John in 3. Rob having to fight his way up from the bottom after setting that TQ pace.
First. 5 minutes left. Second. Third. Fourth.
Rob slowly reeling in John. Caution on the big table, and clear.
First.
Mikey out in front,
Second.
running really clean, looking good.
Fourth.
Rob actually reeling him in pretty good now. Mikey not too far out. John in the middle. Top 3 super close to anybody's race. Rob gets hung up on the pipe.
Second.
Coming in a little early.
Fourth.
Definitely putting the pressure on John right now. That is the battle on the track. Second and third. Rob really putting the pressure on. Making a mistake though, that's going to give John some breathing room. Mikey now kind of just walking away.
Second.
Mikey just got to keep it in cruise
4 minutes
mode.
left. Fourth.
Still 2 down, 4 to go. 4 minutes left. Lots of time.
First. Second. Third.
Rob now trying to reel in John again.
Fourth.
Rob making a couple mistakes.
Fifth.
John also making a couple of bobbles and let Rob get close. Rob's doing a little bit faster times here.
Third.
Slowly reeling John in every lap.
Fourth.
Rob turned out a 16.6 that last time. Almost pretty much just as fast as the other track. A little bobble out of John. That looks Rob get right on his tail. Coming over that center table. Both of them coming out a little off on that center table.
3 minutes left.
3 down, 3 to go. Running order Mikey, John, Rob, Josh, Vinny.
Second.
Looks like Rob making it by John. John with that little bobble, I missed it. Rob now trying to reel down Mikey.
First. Second.
4.8 seconds separating Mikey and Rob with 2.5 seconds to, or 2.5 minutes to go.
Fifth.
Took a minute for Rob to get back in the groove with his truck. Starting to reel him in slowly but surely. Closing it down. 4 seconds now separating Mikey and Rob.
Fourth. Fifth. First.
Rob, little bobble coming out of that last corner.
2 minutes left.
Another little bobble that's giving Mikey a little bit more breathing room. He did close the gap that last lap, even closer. 3.8 seconds to go. Minute and a half left on the master clock.
First. Second.
Closed it even further. 3.2 seconds now separating Mikey and Rob. Rob slowly reeling Mikey in, little by little. Josh now starting to creep up on John. John having a couple bobbles. I let Josh catch up to him significantly.
fifth, third,
3.1 seconds now separating Mikey and Rob.
first,
Even less now, Mike. Oh, but Rob goes for a tumble. That's going to give Mikey some breathing room again. Rob was getting so close.
1 minute left, third,
Minute to go. 3.2 seconds now separating Mikey and
First.
Rob. Maybe a little bit more than that.
fourth,
And Josh now in between your leaders. 4.1 seconds separating them. 40 seconds to go. Rob kind of got to hope for a bobble out of Mikey
first,
without bobbling himself.
second,
Oh, man. John and Josh are battling it out there.
third,
Or was. Looks like Josh now down a little ways.
first,
Oh, no, Josh got his lap back.
fourth, second,
They're running with it right now with Mikey, Rob, John, Josh, Vinny.
third,
Mikey's got this one wrapped up and make it. Nope, that's it. Mikey caught you. That is it. All done, all done. Cross the
Second.
line and you will be done. Just John and Vinny still live. John and Vinny still live.
third,
And that's a wrap.
fifth,
Woo-wee.
the race is completed.